The Nissan R32 Skyline GT-R, often hailed as one of the greatest performance cars of all time, has been given a new lease on life. In a bold move, Nissan has transformed this classic into an electric vehicle, EV, combining the best of both worlds, the timeless appeal of the R32 and the innovative technology of modern EVs. This project, driven by passion and a desire to preserve the essence of the GT-R, promises to deliver an exhilarating driving experience for generations to come. The electric transformation. Fast forward to today, and the R32 has undergone a remarkable transformation. Spearheaded by a team of passionate engineers at Nissan, the R32 EV project aims to recreate the driving pleasure of the original while embracing the future of mobility. The heart of this new R32 is a pair of 160 kilowatt electric motors, each delivering up to 340 Newton-meters of torque. These motors are powered by a 62 kilowatt-hour battery pack, borrowed from the Leaf Nismo RC02, ensuring a seamless blend of power and efficiency. The advanced all-wheel drive system, reminiscent of the Atessa ETS system, ensures impressive traction and stability, making the R32 EV a true driver's car. Reveals subtle changes that hint at its electric heart. The interior has been updated with modern amenities and digital displays, seamlessly blending the old with the new.